Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Well, if we want to check out stocks that have both the elements of growth and income, we always turn to Alex Kolb because he's our growth and income stock analyst at Zacks.com. And so that's what we're going to do once again here because he happens to be here, and so it's just a logical thing. So a couple of stocks you want to talk about today include Guess, ? I always wondered why they put the question mark there, but anyway, Guess, they're in the apparel business.
Yes, well-known retailer. They own 400 stores in U.S. and Canada, over 400, and over 700 outside the U.S. and Canada abroad. Let's go into the dividend side here on the income side.
Yep.
It's an annual dividend of 50 cents that translates into a yield of 1.3%. It's an industry-beating yield, and they recently hiked the dividend. They increased it 25% on a quarterly basis, which totals 50 cents for the year.
All right.
The company also had record results for its second quarter. They reported second quarter results in August. As you can see here, revenue of $522.4 million was above the previous year by 1.4%. Earnings per share of 64 cents was ahead of the Zacks consensus estimate by 45.5%. And speaking of beating estimates, this company has an impeccable record here. This is dating back to January 2005. You can see it's all green. It has outpaced the Zacks consensus estimates during all those quarters.
So green is good.
Yes, going up.
Words.
Yeah, upside surprises. That's good.
Okay.
That's history. Going forward, the projections are solid as well. This is both for the third quarter and the following, the current year and the following year. As you can see here, estimates are on the rise all across the board. So things both good historically and hopefully going forward.
You had me worried there for a minute when you said, "Oh, that's history."
Right. Well, yeah, no, history, but it's also positive going forward, as you can tell.
Okay,
yeah.
good.
At least by projections.
All right.
This is the fundamental side. I also want to feature here that the momentum is solid as well. The company, as you can tell, has outpaced the market on a 1 year over the past year. And also a couple of quick fundamental points here. The return on equity for Guess is 27%. That's versus an industry average of 10%, nearly tripling it. And the net profit margin of 10% compares to a negative industry average, so it's beating there as well.
And another stock that is a familiar name, Avon Products, AVP, the ticker symbol, in the cosmetics industry.
Yeah, direct seller, independent representatives. People are familiar with that company. They also market and sell fashion products and home products, things like that.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, it's been a while since I looked at them.
Same here, but they do sell all those. Again, let's start with the dividend here, an annual dividend of 84 cents that translates into an industry-beating yield of 2.5%. And also, let's get into the estimates on this one.
Let's do that.
All right. Analysts are bullish on this as well, as you can tell. Going up all across the board. In fact, there were just recent hikes just by about a penny in just the past week. So the Zacks consensus estimate here is bullish. The company is preparing to announce third quarter results. That's going to be on October 29th, so that's coming up.
We'll look for them.
Yes, and also getting technical here again on the momentum side. There's been solid momentum recently. This is a 3-month comparison to the S&P 500. It's outpacing it by a solid margin. And as far as the return on equity on this one, it is doing really well. It has a return on equity of 88% that dwarfs the industry average of 8%, and it has a net profit margin of 6.5%. In this industry, the net profit margin is also negative, so it's beating the industry here as well.
All right. Well, it's been a while since I've needed cosmetics, and so that's probably why it's been a while since I've looked at
You
them.
and I both.
Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right. Check out other Zacks Rank Buy stock picks on the upper right-hand corner of our homepage. That would be at Zacks.com. Each day, we put 4 new stock picks, one in each of the investment categories that we write about on the website. With Alex Kolb, I'm Terry Ruffalo.